inyo sana. So, gaano kayo kabata sa iyo sana, like that. So, you can type in the chat. So, wala naman pong matanda. Wala pong matanda. Okay? Lahat ay bata. Ayan, sige. So, how old are you in Ivana? So, 6 years. So, meron tayong 5 years, 1 year. I believe, medyo nahihiya pa talaga yung mga bago, no? So, yes, so meron tayong 2 weeks old, 5 weeks, ayan, 3 days. Wow. And I saw someone kanina na 1 day pa lang. So, kaka-start pa lang talaga. Sana. So, yan, thank you so much for typing. And also, as we proceed to the talk right now, so I will make it as much as possible, hindi ko po like very long because I wanted you guys to also enjoy your Sunday night. So, just wanna share some inputs about my journey at the same time ano yung mga na-learn ko along the way because I'm already 9 years in Nisana. So, 9 years na po kami ni Brian. And actually, originally po, I have my own account talaga in Nisana. So, my own account is also a Gold Director account. And then yung account naman ni husband ko, si Brian, is Executive Review Director. But right now, of course, yung account ko is nag-i-income siya pa rin. And then we are focusing on
Binibenta na
Brian's
yan,
account, which
tita.
is Executive Review Director. So, ganun po kaganda yung news
Nasa
sana kasi
abroad
you
yung
can
may-ari,
really
tita,
discuss.
Hawaii. Yung town kasi,
Okay po, saan po sa abroad? Sorry. Ay, so medyo may naka-open mic ata. Ayan, sige, go. Sige po. So, yan. Magsisimula na po tayo. I will be sharing my screen right now. So, just let me know if you can see it clearly. So, hindi naman po narinig yung background ko, no, Miss Nika? Hindi po narinig yung
Okay naman,
background. Okay
mentor.
lang. Ayan, sige, sige. Okay naman. Sige, sige. Let's start and proceed. So, again, my name is Gia. So, I'm a teacher. So, meron po ba mga teachers in the house? Continue to share. Okay. Meron po bang teachers in the house dito? So, actually, hindi na masyadong marami nagti-teacher ngayon kasi grabe po yung stress at saka grabe yung trabaho, no? So, di ba, naabutan pa namin yung grabing stress at saka work at saka napakadelikado na ngayon, di ba? So, well, moving forward, so I'm a licensed professional teacher. I also taught in the university before. So, and pinagsabay-sabay ko po yan sa lahat. Okay? So, share ko lang din po yan later on sa inyo. But before anything else, I just want to welcome everyone to Lusana. So welcome po sa lahat ng mga bago natin no, na brand partners in Lusana. We are very delighted to have you and also we are very excited no, to work with you in this business, in this opportunity. So ito lang no, kasi na-send lang to a while ago ni Mentor Renzo sa akin. So I am really amazed kasi may picture pala talaga no, na ganito. So this was around siguro 2022 or 2021, I'm not sure. No, I think we were still ruby. I'm not sure, or gold pa ba? Executive gold, I'm not sure. Basta si Renzo nito na time is just a bronze director. So imagine right now, we're still executive ruby directors. So si Renzo is already a diamond. So pwede talaga, di ba? Pwede talaga maungusan, right? Basta as long as you're very hardworking. So kudos to, Mentor Renzo and Mentor Mayan. So one of our friends na talagang naging friend na namin dito sa Yusana. So, nakaka-inspire po talaga. Yan. Sige, moving forward. So, pwede po pa-type sa chat. Why did you start your Yusana business? So, gusto ko lang pong malaman. Like, quick lang naman. Like, ilang words lang sa product ba? Sa negosyo ba? So, anything that you can, okay, that you can type in the chat. Habang hinahanap ko po ang aking mouse, aking cursor. Ayan. Sandali lang. Ayan. Okay, hold on. Sige po. If you're typing there, then just go ahead and type. Ayan. Ano ba yun? Ayan. Sige po. So, basically, ako naman po, for me, talaga, business talaga sa akin. To be honest, pera po talaga yung sa akin. Sa pagsisimula ko ng Yuzana. Kasi nga po, I was really, looking for an extra income kasi ang dami-dami ko pong ginagawa sa buhay. I-share ko lang din po later. And then, I was really looking for a side hustle. But to be honest, I was really negative with Yusana. Sino po ba dito ang nega sa Yusana? Nung pagkarinig mo, negative ka. So, ako po talaga, I am very negative with it because I grew up na yung mommy ko, yung mother ko po, kahit ano na ng network marketing yung sinasalihan. Okay? And then, parang nakita ko na kasi yung mommy ko always jumping from one opportunity to another. Ayan. But then, when I get to understand sana, iba pala talaga siya. So it's not the way how the usual network marketing opportunity works. It's really far different. It's really, diba? It's really amazing. So doon ko na-realize na, ay, I'm on the perfect company. Ayan. So ito po, hindi lang tayo nag-join for me, no? My realization, hindi lang tayo nag-join para magbenta. We're here to build an asset, develop ourselves, and create more choices for the future. Agree po ba tayo dyan? So this is really one of the things na pinanghawakan ko po talaga when I started the business. So I'm not just here to sell, but this is an asset that I am building. So again, this was me when we were starting. So this was how stressed I was, no, nung nagti-teach pa po ako. And then imagine po I was juggling two jobs. So in the morning, I was working sa DepEd, tapos literally sa ano po talaga, sa Tagalog ba yung bukid? Sa bukid po, like gano'n. Like we really travel, like nagmomotor po, like in the morning, talagang parang fresh powder namin yung dust, 'di ba? Lahat-lahat na kung maulan, putik naman. So gano'n po talaga everyday namin na life. And then in the evening po, I was teaching sa university naman. So I was teaching until 10 p.m. So I wake up at around 5:30 a.m., trabaho until 4:30 in the afternoon sa high school. And then pag 6 to 10, college naman yung tinuturuan ko. And then I'm teaching math po. So pag math yung tinuturuan mo, lahat ng mahirap talaga ibibigay sa'yo. Lahat ng major binibigay sa akin. And then on Saturday, nagmamasteral pa po ako. So talagang wala ng pahinga, literally. So that's why, imagine po ang stress level, ang payat-payat ko po talaga. So like, grabe po talaga. So that's why nag-result din siya. So kung sa negosyo, magkaka-result yung hard work mo, ito din nagka-result siya. So after 6 months, na-hospitalize po ako. 'Di ba? Kasi meron na palang na-compromise yung lungs ko. So nagbi-build up na pala, madami na palang complications. So at the end, yung mga save ko din po is napunta lang din siya sa hospitalization. So yun yung pinaka turning point ko na why I really look for an opportunity. But again, when you pray for an opportunity, iba yung nasa mind mo, pero iba yung binibigay ni Lord. Tama ba? Di ba, wala naman siguro sa ating nag-pray na sana yung sana ang ibigay sa akin. Correct? So, here comes the time na na-present po sa amin ang Yusana. So, kami po ito. So, sa mga nakilala po kay Mentor Noy, so siya po ang nag-invite sa husband ko na si Brian sa Yusana. So, elementary classmates po sila. So, kung may mga classmates po kayo sa elementary, invite niyo na po sila. Kasi hindi niyo alam, di ba, sila na yung eagle niya sa business. So, this was my first day in Yusana. Okay? So, kami po yan, Mentor Noy, Mentor Jover, Mentor Mark, Mentor Van, and ako. So, gina-getting started po nila ako, NDO kumaga, during that time. So, tingnan niyo po, keypad pa yung cellphone, 'di ba? Flip chart pa lang po, wala po mga laptop actually. Isa lang yung order. So, ganun po talaga when we started, no? So, hindi po talaga naging madali din when we started. So, financially struggling po kami lahat. Like, kung kumbaga making ends meet lang. But then, no, God is good. Sinagalang talaga namin. So, after 3 years of building the business, we became executive review directors in the company. So that's why we are very amazed on what God is really doing, no, sa buhay din namin, no. Thanks to you, Sana, to this wonderful opportunity. But just to give you a hint, no, bakit din po kami napaisip na mag-Yusana talaga? Because imagine, 2015, ito po yung sahod ko, 19,077 per month. So, question, malaki po ba siya or maliit lang? For a teacher po ha, na ang dami-daming ginagawa, ikaw na ang guard, ikaw tagalinis, ikaw na yung nagsusundo sa bata, 'di ba? Kung di siya nagsuschool, 'di ba? Nagpe-prepare ka pa ng lesson plan, 'di ba? Tapos ikaw pa minsan pagagalitan ng nanay, bakit bumagsak yung bata? 'Di ba ang liit-liit po niya talaga, 19,077. Pero yan po kasi yung nakasanayan na namin kasi nga living with the family of teachers, parang teachers din yung patutunguhan mo, gano'n. So, happy naman po ako somehow, but then nakita ko po, after 4 years, nag-increase naman siya. So, yung increase po niya, naging 20,754. So, from 19,000, naging 20,754. So, malaki po ba yung increase or maliit lang? 4 years po yan na puyatan. 'Di ba? Check ng mga papel and whatsoever. So, kinumpute ko po. So, yung increase pa lang nangyari was just 1,677 in 4 years. Ng fuel kaysa sa increase ng sahod namin in 4 years time. So, yung increase niya per year was just 419. So, imagine, parang naisip ko, wala, napaka-inhumane naman pala nang nangyari sa amin. Grabe na pasakit naman yung nangyari sa amin, no? So, kinumpute ko pa po, parang 34 pesos per month yung increase. So, I really said to myself na, hala, hindi pwede, ganito lang talaga yung gagawin ko forever. Hindi na nga siya enough sa akin na single pa lang ako. What if I'm gonna have my own family? So, what's gonna happen? So, that's why my goal is to really be financially free. And so, work, pwede naman siya. Pero, just a few people. Yung nasa taas lang talaga, yung pwedeng magkaroon ng financial freedom sa work. Agree? Yung mga nasa lower level, di ba? Dito na level, hindi masyado. Right? So, at saka it will take a lot of years for me to go up to that kind of ladder. Tama ba? So that's why I was really open to starting this business. And ako, wala akong pera, wala akong pang-capital sa malaking negosyo. That's why Usana is really perfect for me. And to be honest with you guys, kung sino makaka-relate, inutang ko lang po yung pag-start ko. Okay? And I'm proud to say that na yung 20,000 ko po na pag-start sa sana, utang lang siya. But then, di ba, praise the Lord, after 9 years, ang layo na po ng nangyari sa 20,000. So you cannot really discount that kind of, di ba, small start. That it can really give, a bigger, di ba, a bigger fruit. Basta as long as you're hardworking. Okay? So moving forward, why do we need to be financially free? So, gusto po ba natin yan? Is that the goal? Yes. The goal is to be financially free, right? So, if money was not a problem, what would you do differently with your life? If hindi issue ang pera sa inyo ngayon, ano kaya, sana kaya kayo ngayon? Baka wala kayo dito sa Zoom, no? Baka nag-travel na sila. Di ba? So, if money was not a problem, what would you do differently with your life? So, ako naman personally, siguro more time with family. So, sino pa makaka-relate? Gusto ko din ng travels. Yan, better education for children sa mga nanay dito. At saka ito po talaga ang pinaka gusto kong ma-achieve, no? At of course, with the help of the Lord and you sana, talagang nahinay-hinay na po natin na-achieve helping our parents. 'Di ba? Yan po talaga ang isa sa mga goal ko. Owning a home, retirement security, freedom to choose. Or if ikaw, mayaman ka na, 'di ba? Before, they at least to have extra for charity. 'Di ba? So yun yung mga goals natin. And being wealthy, I actually agree with this. Being wealthy is about having more things. It's about having more choices. Tama po ba? Kasi meron namang iba na napakayaman nila pero wala silang time, 'di ba, to enjoy their wealth, 'di ba? So what I really love about Usana kasi habang nagiging successful yung mga tao dito sa Usana, of course, they still help a lot of people. Pero they have more time for themselves, for their family, to the things that they really want to do. Kasi nga, this business is leverage business. Okay? So, nale-leverage mo siya as long as na-build mo siya. And maganda yung foundation na na-build mo. Ayan. So, money gives you options and the goal isn't to become rich overnight. Tama? Nasa Bible po ito, hindi pwede yan. Di ba become rich overnight? Kasi madali po siyang ma-steal. So, it's to build something that can grow over time. So, what I love about Usana, mga mom and sir, especially sa mga bago dito, talagang may process ka na pagdadaanan. So, heads up ko lang kayo. Hindi siya bed of roses. Talagang mayroong proseso. But as long as you're faithful to the process, you go with the process, you feel the process, di ba? And move on with the process. Masyashock ka na lang na meron ka na palang nabibuild na habits, nabibuild na negosyo, nabibuild na financial freedom. Di ba? So you just have to be patient. And also, what I love about having, the mindset of, or the goal of financial freedom, it will always start with the mindset of starting small and then lalaki siya. So what do I mean? Extra income. So sino po ba sa inyo dito talagang na-attract sa extra income? 'Di ba? Kasi sa simula naman talaga extra income siya. Right? Kasi some of you may mga trabaho pa, 'di ba? May mga negosyo pa. Pero alam mo, kung talagang gagalingan mo lang, kahit part-time ka, it can turn into extraordinary income. Because before I I did USANA full-time. Nag-work din po kami part-time, 2 years, and 2 years bago namin full-time si USANA. So, I'm not saying na ganito rin po gawin ninyo. So, sa mga nagbabalak mag full-time, so, ang naging mindset lang namin ni Brad, pag nakatry na kami na mag-income ng 6 digit per month, dun kami nag-resign. So, may mga buwan po na 80,000 siya, 9
Ayan. O, diba? Grabe ang ating live for today. Yan. Sige, wait lang natin si Mentor. Bumalik yung connection.
I'm sorry.
Ayan.
I'm sorry po. Ayan, sige. Kasi, kanina pa po ba? Ay, ngayon lang.
Ngayon lang,
Bago
Mentor.
lang po ba ako na out? Ngayon lang. Sige,
Yes.
sige. Sige, okay na po ba tayo? Ayan, sige. Moving forward, sige po. So again, kung tatrabahuin lang talaga natin ito, malaki talaga ang pwede niyong ibalik sa atin. Okay? So, ito naman, the next question. If your main income stopped tomorrow, how long could you maintain your current lifestyle? Pag nawala yung income mo right now, yung trabaho mo. Of course, di natin yan pinipray. Diba? What if lang naman, theoretical. Okay, kaya bang ma-maintain yung current? May savings pa tayo para ma-maintain yung current lifestyle natin? Okay, if yes, not, that's the good thing right now. You are in Sana and extra income. Open mo po yung kampo, ma'am ha, para at least makatulong. Ayan, balik ko lang later. Okay? Sige. So today, many people have one job, one salary, one source of income, but expenses continue to increase. Agree? Grabe po yung expenses. Grabe po yung mga taxes. Lahat na ngayon, kada ano natin may tax na. Right? But then, right now, you're really, kumbaga, lucky kasi you chose to start with Usana. And then that would mean that you have really a chance, diba, to grow your income. Not just one source of income, but multiple sources of income. So, ito lang, the mindset shift. Don't only ask, how can I earn more with my job or business? Sa current mo na ginagawa. Okay, ask, what can I build outside of my job? So, yung job natin, it can provide us income. But itong business natin sa Usana, it's another vehicle for growth. Agree po ba? So, some of us here, hindi pa nakabenta ng kahit ano sa buhay nila. Tama po ba? Like, first time mo pang magbenta ngayon. 'Di ba? So when I started Usana, hala, ano ba yung benta? Hindi ko alam. Okay? But again, all the rich people sell. Agree po ba? Lahat po ng successful na tao, they sell something, either goods or service. So if selling is a key to become rich, then aralin natin. Tama ba? Ayan. So, yan. Sige. Moving forward, important reminder lang. Okay? Kasi ito din yung mali ko before. That's why frustrated ako when I started, no? So, important reminder, you don't have to hate your job to build a business. You can appreciate your career and build something on the side with the intention, di ba? With the intention. Kasi hindi naman din natin goal na forever magtrabaho, I believe. Di ba? So, with the intention of really doing this business full-time in the future. Right? So, yan. So, it might take a while, but then, di ba, it will really happen as long as tatrabahuin na. So ngayon, why direct selling? So alam niyo po ba na direct selling ang Usana? Or ngayon niyo pa lang nalaman? So if hindi niyo po alam, Usana is direct selling. Okay? So why direct selling? Bakit maganda po siya na industry? So question, if you wanted to start a traditional business, ano mga kailangan? Kung traditional business, which is maganda din naman po, walang masama. Napakaganda ng traditional business. Pero if magka-traditional business ka, ang daming kailangan. Capital, inventory, store, employees, marketing, logistics, supplier, lahat yan. And normally, pag traditional business, malaki po ang capital. Correct? And that's the major difference of Usana. Kasi kahit 20,000, 23,000, you can start a multi-million business which is open in 26 countries in the world. 'Di ba? So, yung magsisimula ng negosyo dito sa Pilipinas, for example, coffee shop. Okay? Kung magsisimula siya ng coffee shop dito sa Davao, automatic ba open sa ibang countries agad? Di ba hindi? So, sa Davao lang siya. Pero yung investment niya, pagpalagay natin, 3 million. Pero Davao lang yun. Diba? So, yung capital mo sa'yo sana, 23K. Pero, open na in 26 countries. Diba? If you really do the math, maano ka talaga, ha, pwede pala yun. Diba? That's the power of direct selling. Okay? And of course, inventory. Wala tayong kailangan stock sa bahay natin. Yung initial lang natin, pwede pa natin yung inumin. Diba? Or ibenta. Basta hindi ganun kalaki yung need dati na inventory. Empleyado siya sana, pero hindi naman tayo nagbabayad nun. Correct? So, direct selling allows you to leverage. So, may sarili ng product, may sarili ng brand. Ang kagandahan lang din po sa sana, no, kasi when I started, hindi siya naging ganun ka-difficult kasi yung brand talagang kilala na. Lalo na po ngayon. Marami nang nakakakilala sa sana na maganda. Minsan sinasabi lang, maganda yung product niyo pero mahal. Naririnig niyo po ba yan? Yan kasi mostly yung mga, yung mga ano ng mga tao, mahal daw. Pero di ba kung i-explain mo lang naman, hindi naman talaga siya mahal. So dapat ikaw din mismo, sold out ka na hindi talaga siya mahal. I-compute mo sa sarili mo. I-divide mo yung 3,690 divide by 112. Di ba 33 pesos lang yan, hindi yan mahal. Okay? So dapat magsimula yan sa belief mo na hindi siya mahal, maganda siya talaga. Okay? Instead of creating everything from zero, you're working with an established company and learning how to build relationships. If magsisimula ka from zero, from scratch, ikaw lahat yan. Marketing, ikaw lahat, product creation, logistics, yung saan mong isa-stock, di ba? Even yung approval ng product sa FDA, ikaw lahat yan. Pero at least when you join Usana, sila na bahala niyan. All you need to do is just to market it. Okay? And direct selling is not easy money. Of course, hindi po, wala pong easy ngayon. Kung easy yan, tumakbo ka na. 'Di ba? Walang easy money. But the good thing about this, it's getting easier because of the fact na maganda yung sistema. Alright? So, but you still need skills. Tama? Consistency, customer service, communication, follow-up, and personal development. At huwag kang mag-alala, hindi mo yan kailangan i-learn lahat in just 1 week. Actually, you will learn that along the way. You just have to do it every day. Okay? So ngayon, ang daming direct selling. So bakit ba maswerte tayo at blessed tayo na Usana yung napili natin? So I know na amazed kayo talaga when you join, na amazed kayo sa Usana as a company. Pero yan, i-reiterate ko lang what I really love about Usana. Kaya nag-join din ako kasi established na talaga yung company. At yung company walang utang. Imagine nyo, walang utang. So kung tayo may utang, ang company walang utang. 'Di ba? Ay, walang utang. So, napakaganda. Very stable. Science-focused approach. Ang kagandahan talaga ng Usana, for 9 years, guys. 9 years. Never ko talagang na-experience na wala akong sales in a week. So, every week ko talaga may sales. And even yung mga users ko, 9 years ago, 5 years ago, are still my users now. Ibig sabihin, they really trust the product kasi nga napakaganda ng product. Strong emphasis on product quality. Grabe, international presence, established business, and support. Grabe yung system and support ng Usana. Yung corporate natin, halos pwede na tayong lutuan, di ba? Kasi grabe yung servisyo nila para sa atin. Correct? And of course, di ba, no need to re-emphasize this, but grabe yung credentials ni Usana. Not everyone, no, not all companies can have these kinds of credentials. So ito talaga yung mga ipagmamalaki natin kasi this makes Usana different and outstanding from all of the brands out there, right? And of course, the business. The business is very ideal kasi nga it can be started part-time, very flexible. Pwede yung pang ma-leverage sa social media. So, grabe talaga yung utilization ko ngayon sa social media. So, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, I'm a mother right now. So, medyo may point din sa life ko na siguro mga 6 months na I really focused on my baby. But then I learned some skills about social media. So, na-leverage ko siya. And right now, kumbaga, meron akong nakikita ng mga results. Kayo din, i-leverage din natin yan. And of course, can start with small capital but have a big income in return. Ayan. So, ito lang. Always remember na napakaganda ng company, napakaganda ng opine mo. Dapat, you will have this word in mind, believe. Okay. So, you have to believe. So, andito ka na sa Usana. Dapat, ang goal mo, i-maximize mo talaga siya. So, magsisimula yan sa pag-believe mo sa ano? Sa kumpanya. You have to believe in the company. know the story, know the mission, know the products, know your personal why. Dapat alam mo para ikaw sa sarili mo, confident ka na ano ba talaga yung pwedeng ma-offer niyo sana sa mundo or sa mga customers ko or sa mga prospects ko. Believe in the products. So, dapat ikaw umiinom ka. Umiinom po ba tayo? Yes. And then, as much as possible, yung goal natin is matry natin lahat ng product. So, except po sa Palmetto, hindi ko po na-try ko na po lahat ng product. Of course, except sa Palmetto Plus. Diba? Pero amazing. Kahit yung sa Animals po, tinry ko talaga. Masarap po siya. Ayan. So, your first goal isn't I need to sell this. Your first goal is I need to understand this. Kasi selling will just follow. As long as alam mo yung product, alam mo yung ginagawa mo. And of course, you don't have to master it before you sell it. Like, master talaga lahat and all. Just need to identify some keywords, familiarize with it. And then, you're good to go. And eventually naman, malilearn mo naman siya lahat, di ba? Malilearn mo lang siya along the way. Ayan. Sige. So, yeah, know what is the product, who is it for, what problem does it address, paano siya gamitin, and of course, yung personal experience mo talaga. So, dapat ikaw gumagamit, pati pamilya mo, gumagamit ng Usana products. And of course, believe in yourself. Okay? Sa sarili talaga. So, ako po, personal, hindi naman po ako introvert. So, I'm really an extrovert person. Pero ako po yung kind of person, especially before, nung kasisimula ko lang sa Usana, na hindi ako confident basta maisi-sell na. Hindi ako confident sa rejection. Kumbaga, feel ko, mare-reject ako, parang ayaw ko na. Meron po ba kayong ganyan din? Like, fear of rejection, 'di ba? So, yan po yung naging struggle ko din at the beginning. Pero good thing, I was able to recover from it. So, ang naging mindset ko lang po talaga is, may mga tao sa labas nagbebenta ng milk tea, nagbebenta ng sigarilyo, okay? Pero hindi naman sila nakokonsensya. 'Di ba? And imagine yung product nila, like yung iniinom ko ngayon, 'di ba? Nasa green coffee ako, uminom ako kayo ng matcha, 'di ba? Maganda naman siya, may health benefits. Pero of course, hindi naman healthy yan, like very healthy talaga, right? Pero they're very confident in advertising their products. So ako pa kaya na yung sana na nakakatulong sa ibang tao to make them healthy, why am I gonna be afraid? 'Di ba? So, ang goal ko lang is, sige, i-share ko lang sa'yo at least alam mo, 'di ba? Bahala ka na kung mag-yes ka. Basta alam mo lang na nag-i-usahan ako at alam mo na magandang product na 'to. Pero eventually naman, pag mapepresenta mo sila, magugustuhan naman nila, 'di ba? Mostly, 95% or 97% nagugustuhan talaga nila. Okay? So, you don't need to be an expert today. Just see people, I know you're very much willing to learn, kaya andito ka. So your first goal is to become successful. Kasi nga, it's just a byproduct of consistency. So yan din po ang nakita ko sa mga mentors ninyo from, di ba, Mentor Ryan, Raj, down to the Diamonds, Rubies, and Golds of Frontier. Talaga, one of the teams that I really look up to, kami dito sa Davao, like, pinapattern namin kayo, di ba? Kasi nga, ang consistent ng team ninyo. So, that's why your leaders and your brand partners are also very successful. So, yan, kudos to the Team Frontier. Ayan. So, start with one product you understand, one customer you can serve. Kumbaga, take it one step at a time. You don't need to overwhelm yourself. Okay? You just need to enjoy the process. So, wag niyo pong kalimutan na enjoy din yung proseso na mangyayari sa inyo dito sa Usana. So, yan siya. So, you'll have to know everything to start. Just have to start learning. So, are we learning so far? Crowd check lang po tayo. Type 1 if you are learning. Ayan. So that we can proceed to the next part. Yun. Sige po. Ayan. Thank you so much po for the response. Ayan. Sige. So let's proceed to the next part. So sa medyo technical naman po tayo, no? And then later on, I will share a little bit about some of the results that we have acquired here in Usana para din po ma-inspire kayo on or so that you'll have an idea on what you can look forward here in the Usana business. So always make sure, no, na when you start your business, when you start your day, make sure na meron kayong mga tools. So I know meron nang nabigay na list sa inyo yung mga leaders ninyo. So if, of course, we can use our laptop for presentation, we can use our phone. If wala naman po, we can use the magazines, diba? Anything that we have, okay, na pwede nating magamit for the business, let's bring it always. And of course, huwag kalimutan, always magdala ng products. Okay, kahit po para nagchiki-chiki-ching yan siya sa bag niyo, dapat dalhin niyo lang po talaga siya always, every day yan siya. And of course, create your personal product testimony. So, do not forget po na every time meron kayong mga product na, ay, users, always collect testimonies. So, always po kayong mag-take ng mga screenshot na kumusta yung feeling niyo sa products, ganyan. So, always collect those kasi magagamit po ninyo yan sa pag-grow pa ng user base ninyo. Okay? And sa mga bago po dito, don't forget to download our apps. Diba? So, our Usana Hub. So, very important po yung Usana Hub kasi dyan nyo po natatrack yung business ninyo, yung system ninyo. Okay? So, all of the reports are there, yung mga forms, your preview is there. And of course, always remember to attend events. So, events po talaga. So, I just admire the Team Frontier kasi very consistent sa events. So, sa mga bago po dito, so if ever i-invite po kayo sa mga events ng leaders ninyo, say yes. Of course, as long as you are walang ibang gagawin talaga if meron importante. But, treat this business, treat the events as an avenue for you to really know more your business. Kasi honestly, lahat po na naging successful dito sa Usana, nag-a-attend ng events. Tama? So I always say yes to my Mentor Jack, if ever invited kami sa mga events, especially mga convention. So sino po excited sa Hong Kong convention? So if ever you are attending, kindly type 2 in the chat. Type 2 sa mga mag-a-attend sa Hong Kong. Diba yun? Madami tayo, diba? So excited po talaga kami dyan. Ayan, kasi madami tayo mag-a-attend ng events. Ayan, sige. So just to give you a heads up as well on the things that you're gonna experience or you're gonna feel. Kasi nga, tao din naman tayo, may emotions tayo. Para ma-heads up lang kayo, para alam nyo na saan kayo na level right now. So, meron tinatawag na roller coaster of emotions. So, syempre, attending your first presentation, medyo skeptical ka, doubtful ka pa. So, syempre, low yung emotions mo. Tapos, na-excite ka, nag-join ka ng Usana. Grabe, I wanted to do this one. Mag-resign ako bukas. Sorry. Ayan, so, basically, we're really excited to do the business. And then, you are excited to share it with your friends. And then, your friends turn you down. Diba? And then, meron ka na namang na-attend na training. Diba? Yung parents mo galit, na-down ka na naman. Your first shipment of products arrives on your doorstep. Tapos merong sinabi, uy, auto-order na pala. Diba? So, ang dami-daming roller coaster of emotions dito. But don't you worry, it's part of the process. So, all you need to do is just, dikit ka lang sa mga teammates mo na on fire. Dikit ka lang sa mga events. Dikit ka lang sa team. Kasi lahat tayo dumadaan ng proseso. It's just those people who go with the process and then tumatayo after they stumble down. Those are the people, the resilient people. Those are really the people that will succeed. So, normal lang emotions, daanan mo lang, but then wag kang magstay dyan. Move forward ka, move on. And then, di ba? Move on with life. Some will join, some will not. So what? Someone else is waiting. Agree? So, always remember that. Okay? Ayan. Sige. So, right now, let's get a little bit more technical, especially po sa mga bago dito, para may idea lang din po tayo on how the business works. Okay? So, in our Usana business right now, syempre, maganda na talaga siya kasi nag-improve na, in-update yung Complan, right? So right now, I will not focus more on the elite bonus, leadership bonus, but I will focus more on those na ma-achieve ng mga new brand partners natin na pwede agad-agad, di ba? So we will talk more about base commission, matching bonus, milestone bonus, and new sales bonus. Ayan. So, nakaganda po dito sa Usana, lahat po yan dollar, di ba? Dollars po yan lahat. Ayan. So, exciting kasi nga, dollars. So, ito naman, in terms of retail, siguro hindi ko na lang masyadong i-dig deep yung retail. Pero, pag nag-retail po talaga kami, focus lang kami sa 5 signs, especially pag sales and shop. So, i-master mo lang talaga yung 5 signs na yan, makakabenta ka talaga. So, one example na nangyari sa akin. So, sorry po. Nung minsan na na-miss na po ako, uso po kasi yung pista sa, diba, sa probinsya. Ayan. So, wala po akong dalang product, wala po akong dalang mga laptop or whatsoever. Yung dala ko lang po nun products. Kasi nga always, di ba, magdadala ka ng products. Pero you never expected na mag-represent naman. Kasi pista nga po, di ba, kakain lang tayo. So what happened? Yung downline ko, sinabi niya, ay, mentor, mag-ano tayo dito kasi maraming tao, blah, blah, blah. So, hala, wala kaming dala whatsoever. So, dala namin is ito lang. Tapos 5 cents lang po talaga yung sinabi ko, stamina, blah, 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 blah. Alam niyo po ba, nakabenta kami ng 5 sets sa mga namista doon. 'Di ba? Kasi nga, ito lang yung minaster ko talaga 5 times. So, pwede pala talaga na makabenta ka. 'Di ba? Kahit 5 cents lang ang gamit. Okay? So, yan po siya. Alright. Moving forward, we have this one. This is a new way to earn Usana, which is the new sales bonus. Ayan. So, what does it do? So, very simple lang po talaga yung new sales bonus. Just to refresh the new ones, no, dito sa Usana. So, every time you have a new enrollee, okay, who orders in the next 26 weeks, you will earn 10% from all of their orders. So, before po, wala po kaming ganitong bonus when we started. Ngayon lang siya. So, that's why nagiging madali po sa inyo na mag-income ng mabilis. Kasi nga, ito pa lang, may income na agad. So, for example, isusulat na lang po. Ano ba yung annotation? Wait lang po ha. Hindi ko makita yung annotation. Sige po, ito na lang. So, for example, a new brand partner enrolls. Ito po si Tita Violet. Okay, nag-enroll po siya ng 200 sales points. So, 200 points for the product. What if energy kit? Okay? So, what if si Tita gusto niya magnegosyo? So, question, ilan ba yung dollars na ma-receive mo? 10% of 200, that's $20. Okay, and what if Tita orders in the next 6 months? Lahat po ng order niya, automatic may 10%. So, in 6 months, ilan yan? 20, that's around 160. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 100. Ilan ba yung 6 times 20? $120. Bobo ng math. Okay, $120. So, di ba? That's actually a huge thing. Tama ba? So, what if hindi lang si Tita yung mga brand partner mo? What if may mga user ka na palaging nag-purchase ng products? Di ba may 10% ka? So, that's new sales bonus. Right? Ayan. So, yet, what if marami sila? Then you will have a lot of 10% that you can receive. So, every time someone purchases, as long as ikaw yung direct sponsor nila, you will receive 10%. Okay? Hopefully, that's clear. Now, the next thing naman po na i-discuss ko is the milestone bonus. And this one, I will really give you a concrete example na talagang it's really amazing just by thinking of it, no? So, share ko lang din po sa inyo. So, this is what we call the milestone bonus or the one that we can achieve when we hit our pace setter. So, sino po ba dito ang nagra-run? Especially, no, yung mga bago, nagra-run ng pace setter yan. So, pace setter, ayan. So, with pace setter po, if you reach that milestone, you'll be able to hit or you'll be able to receive matching bonus and milestone bonus. Okay? Sige. So, proceed po tayo. So, what are the benefits of pace setter? Again, you will receive lifetime matching bonus of 10% on all your direct sponsor and milestone bonus of amounting to $300. So, imagine in the next 3 months, you will receive $300 bonus from Usana on top pa sa commission. So honestly, nung kami nagsimula, wala pong ganito. So napaka-blessed ninyo right now that you joined Usana kasi may mga milestone bonus na si Usana. Okay? Ayan. So ang goal lang po natin, or ito lang po yung mangyayari. This is the benefit. So for example, this is you. You are a pace setter and you sponsored 4 people. Okay, na pace setter din po. So every time they get an income, you will receive 10%. So what if, for example, each of them nagkaroon po ng income na 10,000. So each of them meron kang 1,000. So meron kang 4,000. Correct? Pero the question is, yung 1,000 ba o yung 4,000 is kukunin ba sa income nila or hindi? No. Yung income nila na 10,000 each, intact po yun. Usana will give you that bonus. Okay? So question, will you be happy if mag-i-income sila ng malaki? Yes. Okay, of course. Kasi nga, Usana will give you the bonus if they earn well, if they earn more. So that's why just by thinking of that, Usana is really designed as a helping business. Okay. na happy pa sila kasi lumaki yung income nila, ikaw happy ka din as a sponsor. 'Di ba? Kasi nga, your team is growing. Alright? Ayan. Sige, ano ba if more people, then, 'di ba, ang daming bonuses na marireceive mo. So, just to give you a concrete example, ayan, continue to share tayo. Ayan, sige. Dito tayo. Ay, nawala po ba? Ah, sige, share ko na lang ulit. Sige. So, just to give you a brief example, so this one. So, kilala niyo naman po yung aming, okay. Kilala niyo naman po ang aming direct sponsor, di ba? Si Noy, who is a CPA by profession. Okay? So, si Mentor Noy, by the way, nagsimula po siya fresh graduate. And take note po, nag-invite sa kanya si Mentor Jack, Diamond Director namin sa Davao. Hindi po niya kilala. So, he is a stranger. Diba? But imagine, pwede palang magsimula sa hindi mo kakilala yung pag-boom ng business mo. Right? So, amazing. And then with this person, we are blessed kasi na-meet din namin si Susana. So actually, si Sir Noy, sponsor niya po si Jover, who is an accounting tech. Okay? And then sponsor, katrabaho po sila sa before sa isang accounting firm. And then si Aljan naman po, si Mentor Aljan is a CPA as well. So classmate po sila sa college. Okay? And then of course si Brian, LPT, siya lang yung hindi accounting dito. Ayan, classmate po sila elementary. Okay? So, ganito po. Si Sir Noy, paysetter. Jover, Aljan, Brian, paysetter yan sila lahat. Okay? And lahat po yan sila, Ruby directors. Okay? Ayan. So, di ba, paysetter, lahat ng sponsor mo may 10% ka. Correct? So, imagine po, ganito po ang nangyari. So, example lang, example computation. So, para maging Ruby ka, di ba, 400,000 yan per month. Okay? So, itong tatlo, minsan nag-200, 300, 400, ang isang buwan. Okay? Ganyan. Pero if ever solid Ruby talaga, like 400,000. So, imagine yung, magkano ba yung pay setter bonus ni Mentor Noy ng isang buwan? 120K. Sa kanila palang tatlo ha, hindi pa kasali yung ibang mga sponsors ni Mentor Noy. So, question, malaki na po ba yan na pay setter bonus in a month? In a month lang yan ha, hindi pa kasali yung commission niya, yung new sales bonus niya. So that's why minsan po, nakita niya siya, meron one time, pumunta lang siya ng Taiwan kasi na-board siya. Tapos nag-book lang siya ng Siargao last week kasi gusto lang niyang mag-Siargao. Mag-Siargao sa next week. So, ganun lang po yung life na siya. Ano, minsan po, nag-ano lang din siya, sige, gusto niya mag-book ng Japan kasi ayaw namin sumama lahat kasi may mga bata kami kasi single siya, di ba? So, sige, ayaw niya mag-book, sige, ako na lang. So, nag-solo trip siya. So, ganun, di ba? Kasi nga, na-build niya yung pay setter status niya. At talagang naging culture ng team niya yung pay setter status. So, that's why he's enjoying the benefits. So, walang bitterness kasi he deserves it. Kasi grabe din naman yung effort niya, especially when you were starting. Diba? But, diba, with that example, talagang masasabi mo, what if hindi niya na-hit yung pay setter niya? Sayang. Diba? So, if I'm not mistaken, nasa ano na yung pay setter ni Mentor na yung income, more than 3M or 4M na ba? I'm not sure. Basta meron mga ganun-ganun na. So, malaki na talaga. So, imagine, ang laki ng mawawala sa kanya if ever hindi siya nag-pay setter. So, that's why if you're running right now, talagang by hook or by crook, pay setter talaga. Diba? Huwag talagang bitawan. Kasi nga, hindi man siya ngayon magme-make sense. Pero in the future, pag lumalaki na organization mo, may mga agila ka sa team mo, doon mo na mapipil yung benefit na talaga. Okay? Ayan. Sige. So, yung tanong, di ba, paano ba siya i-hit? Bakit may picture? Sorry. Shock lang ko, bakit may picture kami dito? So, pakita ko lang yung picture namin. Pero wala siyang, relevance sa slides. Ayan. So, how to hit face setter. So, ito lang siya. Actually, very doable. Some of the associates na nakilala ko is na-hit lang siya in 1 month, 2 months. Some naman na-hit siya in 3 days. So, iba-iba yung journey. Okay, basta importante na hit. So, paano siya? I-hit mo lang siya in the next 13 weeks. At least meron ka lang na-enroll na 4 na brand partners na pwede ang iba user, isa business. Magbi-business talaga, yung iba retailer. Basta as long as nag-enroll sila sa USAN. Okay? Ang total na points nila dapat aabot ng 1,600. Okay? Klaro naman siguro na. So, total na yun. At least, 4 sa mga brand partners mo naka-subscribe and save sa cycle nila. Okay? So, yun lang. Actually, very easy. And the good thing about Pacesetter, it will really set the pace of your business. You will really learn the business. You will really be intentional in the business. Kasi nga, may hinihit kang goal. Kasi minsan, pag wala din tayong hinihit ng goal, parang okay lang, petiks-petiks lang. Pero if may hit ka talaga na goal, ang daming pwedeng mangyari, ang daming pwedeng lumabas na skills mo. Okay? So that's why I really encourage you to hit this one. Wag mo talaga itong palampasin. Okay? Wag na wag talaga. Ayan. Sige, stop share ko lang. Okay. Ano ba to? Sige po. Ayan. Go. Sige. So, klaro naman po, no? Ayan. Sige. So, that's for the how to hit. And the good thing for the milestone bonus, correct me if I'm wrong, if may mali. So, sa milestone bonus naman po, the moment that you hit your first 200 points or one enrollment, automatic, di ba? Meron kang $30 na ibibigay sa iyo sana sa milestone bonus mo. So, kahit isang enrollment lang, may $30 additional ka na. Aside po sa commission, okay? At pag na-hit mo yung 1,600 points at saka 4 na distributor, meron kang $120 agad-agad. Ibibigay niyo sana na bonus. At if na-achieve mo lahat ng qualification for Pacesetter, bibigyan ka niya ng $150. So that's how amazing the company is. So excited na po ba tayo sa mga nag-aaral ng Pacesetter dyan? Okay? Hopefully you are very much excited. Talagang nakaka-excite po mag-run ng Pacesetter. Okay? Masaya po siya. Honestly. Ayan. Sige. So moving forward, so that's for the milestone bonus. And napakita ko na po yung matching bonus, no? Sa example na napakita ko sa inyo kanina. Ayan, sige. So this one naman po, i-review ko lang yung base commission. Ayan. So ito naman pong base commission. Ayun, sorry. Wait lang po ha. Nag-aano yung aking laptop. Saglit. Ano po share ngayon? Facebook. And, coach, ano po nakita ninyo right now?
Yung desktop mo, mentor.
Desktop. Okay,
Yung full
desktop.
desktop.
Oh, no. Wait lang po. Stop share ko lang muna. Hanapin ko muna yung slides. Pati ko na po siya makita. Wait lang. Wait lang po. Stop sharing ko na. Saglit lang po ha. NDO. Feel ko na-close ko siya. Ayan. Sige. Ayan. Hindi ko share. Okay. Sige po. Ayan. Nakikita na po ba ulit?
Yes, mentor.
Meron bang continue to share this keynote window na nakikita ka? Or wala?
Meron, mentor.
Or tsaka. Sige po. Wait lang ha. Stop sharing. Okay. Pasensya po. Parang ano siya eh. Pero sige, continue ko na lang. Kahit merong ganyan, laban lang tayo, okay? Sige. So, ano to?
Ay, mentor.
Sige po. Wait
Ipindot
lang
mo,
po
mentor, yung
ha.
continue to share.
Oo, hindi siya eh. Sige po. Tuloy na lang natin ang very light. Ayan, sige po. So ito, nakikita naman ba?
Yes, mentor.
Nakikita yung slide? Yes.
Yes.
Ayan, sige po. So, ayan na lang po. Sorry with the technical constraints natin right now. Sige. So, bear with this. Patapos naman din po ako. Ayan. Patapos na siya. So, ito naman po, earn your weekly base commission from group sales. Okay. So, ito pong tinatawag natin na base commission. So, what if ikaw po ito, i-move ko na lang siya. Saglit dito. Okay. What if ikaw po ito yung nag-enroll, and then ang goal mo lang is to build a left team and a right team. And then, yung goal lang natin is to create group sales. Okay? So, what if, di ba, you're running for Pacesetter? So, di ba, may 4 ka na brand partner. So, what if may 2 kang brand partner sa left, may 2 kang brand partner sa right? So, lahat sila, they purchase at least 200 points, for example. So, ang gagawin ni system, i-compute niya, whichever is lower, kukunan niya ng 20%. So, based on this example, di ba, 400 naman po yung total. So, ang gagawin ni system is kukunin niya yung lower side, which is parehas naman, so walang problema. So, kunan lang po ng 20%, then that's your base commission, $80. Okay? Hope that makes sense. Ayan. And of course, as your team grows, or, di ba, they continue to purchase products. So, imagine, okay, you will have, okay, a lot of income as well. So, nakaka-nice dito kasi nga this one is one business center lang po ito. And then this one is an illustration when you have 3 business centers. So that's why I also encourage you na 3 po yung business center natin. Let's really upgrade if ever hindi pa po kayo 3 business center. Ayan. So ito naman po yung what if it's 3 business center. So ito po yung goal. So if ever you put them on the left and right, so 3 of your business center will earn. So you will have an income of $160. Okay? So if ever medyo unclear po siya, just tap the person po na nag-invite sa inyo para at nag-invite. Tap the person na sponsor ninyo para at least ma-share po sa inyo kung paano talaga siya gawin. Ayan. So hindi ko talaga siya mapindot. Ayan. Hindi nakikisama si ano ko ngayon, keynote. Ayan, sige. So moving forward, what we really love about this is we also have a lot of trips. So, sino po ba sa inyo nagrara ng koron? Ayan. So, nagrara ng koron. Ayan. So, hopefully no, madami pang madagdag, di ba, sa koron. And of course, we also have this go-getter trip sa Hokkaido. Ayan. So, exciting po kasi na-hit din namin siya, yung Hokkaido. So, kita-kits po sa mga nakahit ng Hokkaido trip. Ayan. Sige, sige, sige. So, moving forward po, almost done na din po tayo. Ayan. So, shortcut na lang natin ito. Ayan. Sige po. So actually, meron tayong mga skills dito sa USANA, pero hindi ko po, I don't plan to like reiterate everything sa inyo kasi I know meron naman kayong mga skills training. Pero para may idea po kayo, 5 fingers po yung ginagamit natin. So, nandiyan si prospecting and inviting, nandiyan si ABC, open ba? Kasi syempre, hindi naman tina-absorb ko lahat. Siguro, ang goal lang natin for now, para may assignment din po kayo later on, is talagang you do prospecting. Ayan. So, this is the goal, to build relationship, build rapport, know their why, and be a solution to others. So, when we do prospecting din naman, is we identify people. So, sulat lang po ninyo kung ano nang ginagamit niyo right now. Nagsusulat ba kayo or nag-excel kayo? Depende na sa inyo. Basta your goal is to list the people that you know, list the people that are being referred to you, and then later on, you are gonna qualify them. So again, hindi po lahat agad-agad i-approach natin. Meron tayong mga target market, which is what we call quality market. So ano po ba yung mga quality market natin? Okay. So quality market natin, yung mga taong motivated, influential, may mga need. Okay, may need sa product, may need sa negosyo, at yung people na gusto din nating makasama. 'Di ba? Alam nga naman, invite natin yung hindi natin gusto, di ba? So, yung mga gusto talaga natin. And of course, those people who has this what we call MAC, ayan, money or means, sila po yung priority. So, I'm not saying na kailangan mayaman lang talaga invite natin dito. Pero I mean, those people na they can start or they can invest. Kasi nga, di ba, meron ka ding goal. But again, when Gizana, spare no one talaga. But at the beginning, you just have to, begin with those people na quality, kumbaga. And of course, authority, those people have credit card. Yeah. So, yun yung mga unang target natin talaga. Ayan. So, conversation starter. So, ang dami-daming ways. Sige. So, ito lang din yung isa din sa gusto kong i-leave sa inyo na establish your, di ba, online brand or marketing, di ba? Online brand. So, dapat yung Facebook natin maayos, walang mga rant, hindi puro pusa or aso, di ba? So, I'm not saying na masama po yan. Pero again, if nagbe-business ka na, dapat ang goal mo talaga, mindset mo, yung online presence mo, you're gonna earn something out from that. Okay? And of course, establish your online brand as offline brand as well. So, take the products, look good sa office, di ba? Basta, you be presentable, especially when you're talking to clients. Okay? Ayan. So, ito naman po, lastly, so in terms of inviting, ang goal mo lang talaga is to set appointment, build curiosity, and the key is really confidence. So, be confident lang talaga. So, you don't need to be very crucial about it. Like, kailangan perfect na perfect yung script mo. So, wala pong perfect. So, it's just a matter of timing. So yan, sorry po, may nakaharang, no? But friend, ito naman, if I'm doing an online business right now, I'm looking for partners in my expansion. Ganun lang. Ganun lang mga one-liner yan, di ba? Friend, I remembered you. I have an online project right now. I'm looking for partners. Gusto mo bang i-check? Dollars to friend. Ganyan. Simple, di ba? The more simple it is, the better. Huwag masyadong mahaba. Ayan, so mag-passive inviting din tayo. Ayan, so very effective din to actually, especially if ikaw fresh yung market mo. So effective tong mga ganito. So paturo ka na lang din sa mga uplines mo. Okay? Ayan. Sige, so if may nagtanong, networking ka yan. So, basta answer mo lang na, ano yung ibig sabihin mo? But the good thing, we're not recruitment based. If that's what you mean. Pakita ko na lang sa yung whole concept. Okay? Pag magkita tayo. Alright? Ayan. Sige. So actually, meron pa tong ibang skills, but then, sige lang, you get to learn this along the way. Ayan. And then, of course, along the way, then, natuturo din ko sa inyo. All you need to do is just to, go over with the process and just follow what your mentors are telling you. Okay? Ayan. Sige. So, just to close this one, kasi medyo di na nakikisama yung ating laptop. Okay, so just to close this one, so being here for 9 years, like, hindi po siya, again, by the process, so may mga pinagdaanan, meron mga failures, meron mga wins, pero at the end of the day, I always bear in mind, no, na lahat ng proseso na dadaanan ko, it's just a preparation for me to enjoy what I have right now. Ayan, so I was really blessed na yung sana was able to give me a lot, no? Aside from travels, so ang dami pong travels na nabigyan niyo sana. Most of them are free. Some of them naman po is galing sa pocket. Pero at least lahat po yan yung sana pa din na income, di ba? So yan, we are able to go to our first Asia Pacific Convention and first travel po namin yan international. That was in Singapore and Malaysia. And then, dyan po lumawak talaga yung mindset namin. So that's why, punta talaga tayo sa Hong Kong, okay? Ayan, so nakahit din po kami ng travel sa Japan, di ba? Free travel kasi nga po wala po kaming idea sa mga Japan para gumamit ng chopsticks, di ba? But again, we're amazed kasi nga maganda po talaga doon and then free po yan lahat by sana. So we're also able to hit our Budapest trip. But then since pandemic po ito, the conversion to cash. But imagine, $3,000, malaki na yan, right? And we were really amazed nung Sri Lanka kasi hindi rin po siya natuloy. It was converted to $5,000. Okay, and then pinasok yan sana in just 1 week. So, di ba, 500 distributors, binigyan niya in 1 week. So, magkano yung ginastos niyo sana for that? Okay? And one of the most memorable trips that we had is the trip sa cruise. So, dito po nakasama po namin yung baby namin. So, we're so blessed with that. And then, of course, we're also blessed kasi na-hit din namin po yung Hokkaido trip. So, hindi ko lang mahanap yung poster. But we hit our Hokkaido trip. And we will be going there in December. Ayan, by the end of the year. And then, halfway through na din sa Silavib Winter Retreat. So, praying na talagang ma-push through natin yan. And we're also blessed because of this opportunity, di ba kasi mahal ng fuel. So we are blessed kasi we're able to also buy our own electric car here in Davao. So masaya po talaga kami kasi dati is, ano talaga, mahal yung gastos namin sa gas. Like 15 to 20K kami per month kasi nagbabiyahe kami. But we're so blessed na right now, nakakatipid na po talaga. So from this pain before na may 400 pesos lang na increase per year, so I'm so happy that my 9 years income in USANA, okay, is equal to my 60 years working in a previous job. So yung nakita ko na 9 years lang sa USANA, kung magtatrabaho lang po ako, I have to work 60 years for that. So in that case, hindi pala lahat about sa money. It's not about the money because I can still earn the money sa ibang opportunity, sa ibang trabaho. But the difference is the time. Diba? Sa 9 years ng USANA, pwede pala 9 years ko lang pagtatrabahuin. And of course, sa 9 years na yun, hindi yung lahat trabaho ha. Madami din chill doon. So, hindi yun purely work. Diba? May fun doon. Diba? So, pwede pala. So, and at the same time, from being so stressed out, diba? Grabe yung stress and whatsoever. Pwede palang maging Tel Aviv ambassador. Diba? So, if goal mo din, diba, na maging model, sorry, naging model, di ba, ng Usana or model sa buhay mo. Dito na lang tayo. Libre pang products every month. Di ba, Mentor Renzo, Mentor Kyle, di ba? May libreng paayuda na products per month. So, ang saya-saya namin. Okay, so to end, ito lang po. Your business will grow at the speed of your belief, your skills, and your consistency. Okay? Di ko na mabasa. And don't just build the business, build yourself along the way. Ayan. So don't forget that as you build this business, ikaw din yung nabibuild up. And that's why your results will be more, mas magiging masaya ka sa results mo. Kasi nga alam mo sa puso mo at sa mind mo na nag-grow ka along with your income. Okay? So thank you so much and apologies po ulit sa technical na constraints natin right now. But hopefully marami po kayong natutunan. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, yes. Thank you, Mentor. And guys, unmute naman tayo and let's say thank you, Mentor Gia.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Mentor.
Thank you po,
Thank you, Mentor.
Thank you,
Mentor.
Mentor, before you go, can we take
To
a
be with
picture po with
you.
you? Ayan, open cam tayo, guys.
Sure po.
Ayan. Okay. All right. So first slides. Picture tayo. 1, 2, 3, smile. Second slide. Dahil marami tayo. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Third, smile. Okay, last.